Hey, if you're like me and bought a Corsair keyboard with G keys and never used them because all the videos taught you how to use macros and you didn't want to use macros, well, I got the video just for you. So you want to click on your keyboard here and you want to go to key assignments. Now, if you record with OBS right here, you're going to realize that if you want to like record something on the fly and you have like a hotkey, but you don't want it to like be binded to a game because sometimes that game does take that key, let alone if you record different games, you realize that you're going to like press a random fucking action and that can get really annoying. So what most videos would tell you is to just go to your keyboard and set up a macro. Boom, here, macro. But turns out that's if you have no G keys, because I'm assuming all the other video tutorials I see about setting up macros for OBS are without G keys. But then I saw a video with G keys doing it with macros, and I just kind of wanted to off myself because, man, all these years, I literally could have just went through the settings and figured it out. So all you have to do, set a macro, is just go to keyboard and assign a different F key. So, hold on, let me take my jacket off. So literally, I didn't know this, but keyboards can go up to F keys beyond 12 up to 24. And then you're wondering, oh, but will that interfere with any games? No, I don't. And I doubt you'll ever find a software other than maybe for Blender or any other visual editing software that it'll go up to F13 to 24, because that is really uncommon. So really, you can really go fucking willy-nilly on this. So you just set your G keys to a key beyond F12. So for example, for F6, I'm gonna have to reset this. I kind of fucked this up, but I have 6 keys because I have the platinum version. So for function 1, I did 24. Function 2, 23. Sorry for the dog. I'm only going to do this in one recording because I just was so fucking dumbfounded that I couldn't figure this out years ago. And then etc. down the list, blah, blah, blah. 20, and then for this, 19. Boom, it's that easy. I literally just did it in front of your eyes. Boom. How do you feel? Feel good? Listen, I don't doubt you don't feel good because you probably did the macro like you were told to, like a good little boy. I bet you feel really fucking stupid right now, but it's okay. Go out there. I guarantee you this works for OBS. You can switch screens with your G keys through scenes. You can do that. It works that way. It works for record keys. It literally works as its own functioning F key. So you can go crazy. Honestly, it's amazing. It really is amazing. Fuck all those videos that say macros. You're dumb. Especially the ones where you have G keys and you still do macros for hotkey setups. I don't know what to tell you. You're just dumb. You really are just dumb. And I'm kind of mad because I was that dumb guy who did macros instead of keybinds when the option was literally right there. Granted, this is updated, but even before the update, it was literally in the scroll menu. I didn't bother scrolling. I deserve to be on that boat with all the dumbasses. But now, I learned how to swim. I made it onto shore, and I figured out that you can use the F keys to bind it to use for OBS. Thank you all for watching. This is the only type of video I'll ever do something like this. I'm just so fucking dumbfounded. Go fuck yourself, all those guys who made macros. Go